Good students, today I am going to teach you about classification of angles. Before it, I have taught you about how to measure angle. Today I will teach you about classification of angle. How types or how many types angles are classified. Here angles are classified different cases on their properties or their measurement. Angles are classified on the basis of their measurement, and their names are also naming according to their properties or as properties as the name of the angles. Different types of angles and have different types of their name as properties as name of the angles. Here in first case, different types, following types of the angles. There are different types of the angles as first. Here 0 degree angle, 0 degree angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angles, linear angles, reflexive angles. These types of different types of the angles, and their names are as their properties. As name. Here 0 degree angle, in this case when 0 degree angle where this is a angle, but it is not 0 angle, but this line, or you call it, let R. When OR line fall on OP or overlap OP, that then the angle between the angle POR is equal to 0 angle. Here OP ray, and this ray OR is also a ray, and this is also a ray. You know about angles when two joining point of two rays is called angle. Here OP, here POR is a angle here, but we want to make 0 degree angle. When the arrow OR coincide on the arrow OP, at that time the angle will be 0 between P and R. here coincide OR coincide on OPR. Here coincide on OR. Here OR rays coincide on OP. Then POR. Then here in this case angle POR, but in this case angle POR is a 0 degree angle. Here angle POR is equal to 0 degree angle. When a ray overlap another ray, that times angle will be 0 degree angle. Here thus POR is equal to 0 degree angle. OR overlap OP here. So OR is overlap on OP. Overlap means completely covered OP by OR ray. This times POR is equal to 0 degree. But here angle POR is equal to theta. Any angle may be, but here it is not 0. But here it is not 0 because OR is not coincide on OP. Then angle may be any numbers, but here OR completely overlap on OP. Then POR is 0 degree angle. Here 0 degree angle when a line, when a ray, when a ray overlap, when a ray overlap on an other ray, at that time then the angle between ray is 0 degree. Here OR overlap on OP, then the angle between POR is equal to 0 degree. Here at that time, let it is the first ray and it is the second ray, and joining point here O, and at this time the distance, the angle between two rays is not 0, but it coincide on first ray, and second ray coincide on first ray. At that time the completely coincided. Then the angle between two rays ROP is equal to 0 degree angle. So these types of angles of 0 is met. After this acute angle. What is acute angle? Acute angle, second, acute angle. Acute angle, when these types of angle greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. The angle, in this case, the angle, which angles that angles are greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. That angles are greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree are called acute angle. Acute angle. Acute means small, teeny. Acute means teeny or small angle. As called acute angles as 1 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, up to dot 89 degree. So these types of angles are known as acute angle. The symbol of acute angle is as. This is the acute angle. And AOB. Here angle AOB equal to acute angle. Acute angle. Okay, student. After this, next angles. After this or next right angle. Right angle. Right angles. Right angle that angle has 90 degree angle, 90 degree angle is called right angle. Right angle, as it is denoted by this line, 90 degree angle. This symbol is a 90 degree angle. Here can write PQ angle, therefore angle POQ is equal to 90 degree. Look here, which angle make at a point that point is found between P and Q. P and Q point, that at which point angle make, that point always right between the point P and Q. Here we write POQ. POQ, not PQP. Always at which point angle made, that point is always right between two points P and Q. Here POQ is equal to 90 degree. But we change its QOP, then it is outer angle. You found outer angle. But POQ inner angle, but QOP outer angle. Here QOP is equal to outer angle. Okay, student. After this, right angles, so you show it right angles by this symbol. So okay, students, after this next angles I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student, thank all of you.